Like, the reason why I'm saying that immersion isn't what gets you fluent is because the framing of just move to another country and you'll learn it is that you'll learn it passively. It's the idea that like just being surrounded by the language means you're going to learn it. And that's just simply not true, okay? Hearing a language isn't learning it. In the same way that you could listen to a bunch of Spanish music and not learn Spanish, you could live in a Spanish-speaking country and if you're not doing any sort of deliberate practice, you're not going to make any progress because there's no deliberate studying. There's no deliberate learning. Your brain will only grab the pattern and remember it when you actually put attention to it, like when you notice it deliberately. But just because you're hearing words around you doesn't mean you're actually learning something. Right? The pattern comes from noticing it, which requires intention. And the whole idea that you just got to move to another country to learn it kind of implies the opposite. It implies that you can just passively hear it and that you'll learn it. But that's not how learning really works. I got fluent Spanish in my bedroom in Sweden. And if you're just starting out, I'd highly recommend checking out the Speedy Spanish Roadmap. It's a free course I created to help you start learning Spanish with these methods. And you'll find it in the first link in the description.